Hi, this is Joe and Moses. We're going to show you how to replace your screen on an iPod iTouch. As you can see, this screen is already broken and cracked. We're going to show you how to replace it. You might remember us from videos such as installing your own car alarm, modifying your Xbox 360, and your regular Xbox. Say hi, Mo. What's up, man? So in this particular video, we're going to show you how to replace your screen. So first, we're going to take this tool, which is a very small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to pry open your iPod screen from the main part. So the screen comes in two parts, which is the digitizer, which is on the top, your home button, and which is the mid chassis. So we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pry open from the sides, both sides, top and bottom. So here we go. You can also use the tool which they sell on eBay for about $10. I'm just using my personal electronics tools for this job. Okay, so there we go. So we have the screen open from one side, and we're going to open it from the other side. Okay, so we're prying open the second side, which is the left side where the main clip is on. Okay, so we have the screen digitizer and the chassis separated from the main iPod. As you can see, the ribbon connector was already loose. So, but just make sure that when you take the screen apart from the iPod, this ribbon connector is going to be hooked up to your main iPod motherboard here. So just be very careful to not take this apart too fast, because you might damage this connector. Just in case you do, if you do damage it, this is going to be replaced with the main with a new screen. So I guess basically what I'm saying is don't damage this part over here. You may damage this, but because it'll be replaced. Oh, by the way, this is a third generation iPod that we're doing. Sorry, forgot to mention that. The best way you can tell that it's a third generation iPod is that there's two lines of writing right below where it says the memory capacity of your iPod. There's two lines of writing down here. If it has two lines of writing and it's an 8 GB, it's still a second generation iPod. Okay, that's the best way you can tell what kind of iPod you have. By the way, the second generation iPods are actually a lot more difficult to replace the screen on, because we did one last week and we actually had to use a heat gun or a blow dryer and then adhesive in both these parts to put it back together. And we also actually had to use a micro screwdriver to take it apart. As you can see, it still works, but you can't control it. It's not gonna do anything. I mean, you can use it like that if you like, you want it to look cooler or whatnot, but I won't recommend it. So let's go to the workstation so we can open up the screen, which came in the mail pretty fast actually. Look, it's already here. Oh, we got this off eBay for about $15. So here we go. Let's get the box out of the way, and voila, the new screen, brand new. Let's make some space over here. Sorry about that. Okay, so we have the screen. Let me get this stuff out of the way. By the way, this is another project we're working on. modifying an Xbox, which for legal reasons I will not upload any videos of that on YouTube. So let's go ahead and replace the screen. As you can see, there's a ribbon connector. It's gonna be folded, actually unfolded. So remember we had the connector folded back this way. So what you're gonna do is just fold it the same way, like this. Okay, now there's gonna be some protectors or screen protectors, so just peel those out. Well, this one you can leave on until later, but so here we go. This is harder than it looks, okay, so because I don't have a lot of room on the ribbon, with the ribbon being so short. There we go. Okay. Oh wow. Magic. It's working now. Let me see. Well, you can use it like this if you like. I mean, you know, you want to look cool with your friends, whatnot. You can use it like this. But Moses doesn't like to use it that way, so let's go ahead and put it back together. And just snap it on. Like I said, this is easy. Not the second, like the second generation. We had to use a heat gun and adhesives. And there you go. Like new iPod. See, it's working. Have any questions or want to email me questions or clarifications? My email is joseangel4293@msn.com, or any hate mail to my brother, magmanites at hotmail.com. Okay, so there you go, and keep looking for latest instructional videos. Thank you.